Hi everybody, this is Debbie from Stamp On It, and this is a jammy video. Jammy video, as many of you know who follow us, is a video that I can be in my jammies, you can be in your jammies, nobody knows. So let's get started. This is a video just going to show you a quick tour of our new Vellum Cardstock Kit. It is called Heartfelt Snowman, and the stickers in it are called Heartfelt Snowman, appropriately named kit. And then you get also 2 sheets of snowflake stickers. So total 5 sheets of stickers in this kit, 3 of them being the Heartfelt Snowman, 2 being snowflakes. And in this particular kit, these stickers are gold, what we call gold on a white background. And in the kit, you will also get cardstock and envelopes to coordinate. And we did put white into this kit, not cream. Many would say, well, you got gold highlighting on those stickers, but you should have cream cardstock. But when you actually put the kit together, you could go either way. But in this particular kit, we're going to go with white cardstock because you don't see a lot of the gold as much as you do of the white. So it's just kind of a unique blend of stickers in cardstock here. So you get 5 sheets of stickers. You get your coordinating cardstock and envelopes, pre-scored cards in the envelopes, A2 size. You will also get 12 assorted overlays or frames in this kit. And there will be an assortment of black and white because they both look good in this project. And it will also be in different sizes that coordinate with the snowman. If you look at the sheet, there's some that are taller, some that are round, some that are smaller. So what we did is we're going to put together a special kit, a special overlay grouping to frame these images so that you can make the 12 cards into various different designs. So there'll be 12 overlays to coordinate and 3 sheets of our 65-pound vellum. Our 65-pound vellum is a cardstock weight vellum. And the particular technique that we used on the samples, I'll show you a couple samples here just quickly, is what we call plumping, where we raised up the vellum where the sticker is. And I'm not going to go into detail on that because in our video section on our website, you can also see where we've covered that particular technique with the vellum cardstock. But it uses an embossing tool where you actually burnish and raise up this area. Now the interesting part about this particular kit is that you don't have to do that plumping technique. You can just put the stickers onto the vellum. Our vellum creates a very unique surface. It's semi-porous, so you can do lots of different things as far as watercoloring, blending, chalking on the vellum. So in putting the sticker onto there, it gives you an even more versatile area to work on, surface to work on, even over cardstock. Cardstock is porous, but vellum is semi-porous, so it gives you that option to do some blending and moving of the color. As you can see in these samples, this was just done with Tombow markers, water-based markers, and a blender pen, and just very easily moved. Also, we have that on our website too. In the video section is working with blending onto various surfaces, including our vellum. So this is the Heartfelt Snowman kit. And another interesting thing that I found to add to this kit, if you like the shimmer of glitter, and not too much shimmer, but just a nice highlighting, if you can see that on the snowman hat, I used our Moondust Glittering Kit to add that. And in our kit, we also have this in a video, but in our kit comes the adhesive and the mini needle tip bottles and glitter mister to put the actual glitter on. So you can take this and it comes out in a very, very small fine tip, and you can add adhesive, and I'll just quickly do just the top of this edge here. I can squeeze out a small amount, very controlled, and just add it to that area. I'll also just do this snow gal's cheeks, but it allows you to put liquid adhesive into the needle tip bottles, and we do sell them individually on our site as well. Many of you know a lot of our products are sold in kit form and also individually, so you can build your own projects. And I'm just going to use a quick shovel of Moondust here to add a little glitter. Tapping it off. And as you can see, it has just added a little bit, you can see that in the camera, of shimmer just to certain areas, and I can get very, very detailed and put it just into those highlighted areas that I want to put glitter into, using the needle tip bottles out of our Moondust Glittering Kit. Look for that on our website as well. So this is the Heartfelt Snowman Vellum Cardstock Kit. It's a special one for 2020. So look for it on our website. I'll put a link to it from the email also. But check it out. I think this would make some really great cards for this time of year, winter, or even into the summer months if you're getting ready for fall and winter. So check it out on our website. We'd love to have you order it and have some fun with it. Thanks for watching.